Hello, thanks for coming. Welcome to the pet room. David Bradley here. I'm about to be brave. This Blue Bezel machine I got, and it's rare and it's weird, and I have never had it working. But what I'm about to do, use my hand, I believe these will be okay, is to repopulate. So here is the 6502, and I know it goes in this configuration. Hey Google, stop. In this configuration, because every chip on the board goes in with the witness mark either down or to the right, except for this chip here. Okay, so that's the 6502 in. Now we have here a RAM chip, and it says that it came out of the screen RAM, and that's here. And you know what? These glasses are a little too strong. I really need to get just the right focal length. So, yes, these are better. So the witness mark is correct. And hello. Oh, it's sitting in nice, I believe. I like to get, excuse my hand. I like to get things lined up and then perfectly on one side, give a little pressure to the other side and push. And in looking, it looks like everything is okay. So that's good. So there's no rhyme or reason to it. Doesn't matter which order I put these things in. I'm now going to, I have a bag here that says it has 4 good RAM chips. So I, for a pet like this, only needs 4 RAM chips to come up. Now, will it have much memory? Well, no, it will not. But that is what it needs, is 4. So that's all I'm going to put in at this time. This does seem to be giving me a bit. Oh, it's in. Okay. And these ones at the front of the machine are much easier to see the pins because, well, they're right in front of you. All right. 2. Checking the witness mark. All right, line it up. Gentle pressure. 3. Checking witness mark. Hello. Okay. We have 4 RAM chips in. Undoubtedly, we're going to have to steal something from something. I would suspect, because there was something bad here. But now, I'm just having a tough time with this little baggie. Hello, little bag. Come on. The next chip I'm going to put in is the 6522. But the bag doesn't want to open. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay. It does not. So out it comes. Now the pins on this one they're okay. They certainly look like they've had a bit of a rough life. Maybe this one was unsoldered. I'm not sure. And this one also is one that goes way in the back, which makes it challenging. So the front ones are lined up, and I believe the back ones are in, and we're okay, I believe. Hey Google, stop. But it is hard to see. But I think we're okay. So we're almost there. Here, getting things out of the baggie, is the 6540 chip that goes way into the back. Now this is one I did have trouble with the other machine, and that I bent a pin. So I'm going to try very hard not to repeat that catastrophe. Very hard. Okay. I feel along the back. It feels okay. Okay. 6520 chips in the bag. All right. Now, these two chips, they're the same. They're interchangeable. They're also stuck. Come on. They are stuck in the bag. Okay. They're out of the bag. So, keep in mind, this one here that I'm about to put in is the only chip that I know of on the whole board where the witness mark, which is that little thing over there, points to the left. So I'm looking to the pins, lining things up, and pushing it in, and double just feeling. I think everything is okay. This one here is an identical chip, but it goes into the back, and the configuration of the witness mark is reversed, as everything else is on the whole machine, except for that one chip, just to add to the excitement. Now, let's see here. I think we're lined up. I don't feel anything bad, so that is good. So now, all I really need to test this machine, besides plugging it in, is one more RAM chip to go into that screen RAM socket. I have tinkered with this machine before, never with any success. So am I optimistic that this is going to work after I do this? I am not. But I have to try. Alright. So we line up to one side. We give a little push. And we're in. So 65, 6502, 6520, 6520, 6522, 6540 chip, which I think might be the character generator. Anyway, 2 RAM chips, 4 RAM chips. And that is that. Now the cord on this machine, I'm pretty sure, at some point was replaced. That is, you know, things happen. So now I'm up and looking for a plug. Oh. All right. For the first time in a very long time, this machine is plugged in. So I guess there's only one thing to do. Reach behind, turn it on, and see if anything happens. All right, good Molly, good golly, Miss Molly. It is now, we're going up. Behold the magic. Commodore Basic, 1023 bytes free. It's alive. My word. I never, well, I was hopeful, but I never suspected that this would work. So now I need to carry on and test. Well, I could put more RAM in. I suppose what I really need to do right now is see what's up with the keyboard. It's funny, you know, a lot of people say, why do you do it? Why do you tinker on these machines? Why? And of course, the odds of, you know, getting something figured are minimal. But when it happens, it's magic. Oh, you know what? I got this machine a while ago, and I tried other things, and nothing would work. But I guess, I mean, there was bad stuff in here. There was many bad things, and now it's good. Anyway, it's funny, you know, when the chip fails, you never know which sort of failure it will cause and what will cause, you know, like one RAM chip, one this, one that. Who knows? All right, so I've emptied all the bags. I have, except for the RAM chips. I could put more in, but I'm not going to do that now. I'm going to rejoice, and I guess I'm going to close this machine down and see if the keyboard is filthy dirty or if it works or what works. Anyway, thanks for being here for this joyful moment. I never thought. Oh, I suppose one thing I should do, well, I should turn the machine off before I do this. If I'm going to test the keyboard, I really need to plug it in. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. If I don't plug the keyboard in, there is very little chance of the keyboard working. See, there's a little bag trying to sneak underneath here. What is this? Oh, okay, it's all right. All right. A working pet. Life is good. Bye for now. David Bradley from the Pet Room, signing off.